my friends, I just got a package in the mail. Let's see what's inside. Guess what's inside? Here it is. It's the limited edition Thunder model kit. Yes, my friends, I finally got my last and final limited edition Puppet Master model kit. Similar. But these are the four. Now I got all 5 of them, finally. I thought I would never have these in my full-moon Puppet Master collection. I thought I would never have these in my collection. This is great. I'm proud of myself because I got all 5 of them now. Now I got Slave, Pinhead, Torch, Stitcher, and now Pinhead. These were out back in 1991 when Puppet Master 3 first came out. And now these are extremely rare, like one of the rarest items to have in your full-moon collection. And I got all 5 of them. Well, my friends, that's all I gotta say. And that's what this video is all about. It's some of my model kit. And later.